How's it going, everyone? Today we're looking at the DEWALT safety glasses. Also sunglasses if you want to. You can get them in different colored lenses. I've just got the clear ones themselves, which I can use just for light duties around the house so I can protect my eyes. But if you do want to use these as sunglasses and protection, you do have that option to do so. This is the packaging that it comes with, just in this nice plastic piece right here. We just open this right up and the glasses are just right inside. The folding mechanism on them is very smooth, works very well, no issues there. If we look at the arms themselves, we can see these rubber grips on them, which will help it keep onto your ear so it's not gonna slide off, which is really, really nice. And also if we look at the nose pieces, they're actually nice thick rubber on there, so those will nicely help keep it from sliding down your nose. Now let's go ahead and try these on. We're gonna go ahead and just open them up and put them right on. And I do like it. They do feel nice right here. So on the back, it grips my ears nicely. And just right here on the nose piece itself, it stays nice and gripped. So I can move around and they don't slide around or move around at all. So very comfortable, they work well. I do feel like they're gonna protect my eyes nicely. So overall, I would recommend these DEWALT safety glasses.